Hi, hello, welcome. Today we're going to discuss about the different variety of grapes. So what different variety of the grapes do we have in the taking the white wine and red wine and champagne. So it's I'm not going to make a very long video. I will make it very short and sweet. What a different variety of white grapes do we have? So it's a Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc, Gewurztraminer, Muscat, Riesling, semillon, Albarino, Chenin Blanc, Pinot Blanc, Pinot Gris, Viognier, Trebbiano, Malvasia, Muller, Rulander, Cortese, Viura, Tokai, and Fiano. So this is around 90 to 20 white wine grapes. And red wine grapes, Gamay, Merlot, Nebbiolo, Syrah, Zinfandel, Cabernet Sauvignon, Cabernet Franc, Malbac, Barbera, Tempranillo, Cabernet, Grenache, Pinot Nova, Pinot Muller, Pinot Tag, Sangiovese, Black Muscat, Petit Verdot, Corvinera, same like around 90 to 20. Discuss about the champagne grapes, the Chardonnay from white wine grape, and the Pinot Nova and Pinot Muller. It's a red wine grapes. This blended called champagne. So thank you. Bye.